Have you ever felt like you've made too many mistakes to start over? Imagine an artist creating a beautiful painting. Suddenly, a dark streak is drawn across the canvas, ruining what seemed perfect. Most people would think the painting is destroyed forever. But then, the artist picks up a new brush and transforms the damaged artwork into something even more beautiful than before. Life often feels the same way. We all make mistakes. We experience broken relationships, poor decisions, and unexpected setbacks. Sometimes we look at the mess and believe our story is ruined. But what if the mess is not the end of the story? The strongest people are not those who never make mistakes. They are the ones who learn, heal, grow, and rebuild. Every setback carries the possibility of a comeback. Every failure contains a lesson. Every difficult chapter can become part of a powerful story. Your past may explain where you've been, but it doesn't determine where you're going. No matter how broken things seem today, remember, growth is possible. Healing is possible. A beautiful future is still possible. Sometimes, the greatest masterpieces are created from life's biggest mistakes.